transparent sticker sheet. This is a very special product of ours that we have developed for you, our customers, with lot of efforts. And in today's video, we are going to talk about what is transparent sticker sheet, how is it used, where is it used, and what are the limitations of this sheet. And before we begin today's video, please do consider subscribing to our channel where we upload regular videos for you in order to promote your printing business. And if you're not aware, we are also on Telegram, and you can join our Telegram channel and get such regular updates on daily basis, and there is a link in the description below to join the same. So let's begin today's video. वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले मैं आपको इस शीट का एक क्लोजअप दिखा देता हूं और बता देता हूं इस शीट की क्वालिटी के बारे में। ये शीट है हमारी, इस तरह से इस तरफ हमने नॉर्मल इंकजेट प्रिंटर में प्रिंट किया है और पीछे इसका ये रिलीज़ पेपर है, क्योंकि पीछे ये वाइट है तो हमें समझ में आ रहा है कि यहाँ प्रिंट नहीं होगा, प्रिंट यहाँ पे होगा। तो बस ये छोटी सी चीज़ है। हो सकता है कि जब आपको पार्सल के थ्रू ये पेपर मिले तो ये थोड़ा सा बेंड हो जाए, तो उसकी भी कोई टेंशन नहीं है। जब प्रिंट करें तो प्रिंट करने से पहले उसे इस तरह से हल्का सा रोल कर लें, 2 मिनट रखें, पेपर सीधा हो जाएगा और तब आप इसे दूसरी शीट्स के साथ प्रिंटर में डाल दें और वो प्रिंट हो जाएगा। और अब आपको मैं दिखा देता हूँ इसकी स्टिकर की क्वालिटी। स्टिकर इस तरह से निकलेगा, हल्का सा एक ब्लू कोटिंग जैसी होती है जो कि ना बराबर होती है, आपको इतनी गहराई से नहीं दिखती वो। और इसे मैं यहाँ पे एक फोम शीट के ऊपर पेस्ट कर रहा हूँ आपको इसकी क्वालिटी दिखाने के लिए। तो यहाँ हमने इसे ऐसे पेस्ट कर दिया। दैट्स इट, ये हो गया हमारा प्रिंट और पीछे से रिलीज पेपर निकल चुका है। ये फोम शीट के ऊपर प्रिंट होने के बाद ऐसे लग रहा है हमारा ट्रांसपेरेंट शीट, एकदम क्लियर ट्रांसपेरेंट क्वालिटी। ऑलराइट, सो अब आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि ये शीट की क्वालिटी क्या है। बट अब इस शीट की डिटेल में मैं आपको बात करता हूँ। So, what is transparent sticker sheet? This transparent sticker sheet is made up of plastic. Please do not confuse it with PVC, OHP or any other synthetic plastic sheet. It is completely different product. It is a product that can be printed easily on any inkjet printer, and the sheet comes in a standard A4 size. The sheet in itself is waterproof. Wow. So this is the sheet and it is waterproof, and also the sheet is non-tearable. So these are the qualities of the sheet, but there is also a limitation of the sheet. The first limitation is, even though the sheet is waterproof, the ink with which you have printed on it might not be, and that is a limitation, and which we will tell you the solution of by the end of this video. Keep in mind that the sheet, even though it is transparent, it has a slightly bluish tinted shade on it, which makes it possible to print. And these are the characteristics of the sheet, and I hope you have understood what the sheet is. Now let us understand how to print the sheet. Printing on the sheet is as simple as printing a plain piece of paper. It is as easy as that. All you need is a inkjet printer. When I say inkjet printer, I mean an EcoTank printer, an InkTank printer, or a normal inkjet printer, or any printer by Epson, HP, Canon, Brother. Models like L130, L805, L3110, L3150, or you can talk about HP's GT series printer or Canon's 2010, 3010 or 4010, or you can even go for the Brothers 6000, 4000 or 3000 series of inkjet printers. So you can print them using any inkjet printer, and you don't even need to change the original ink. It will work with the original ink that comes with the printer. So when you're printing the sheet, your warranty is also maintained. It is not violated. So it is a total win-win solution for you. But as I said, the ink on it might not be waterproof, and we will discuss the solution soon on the same. Now let us understand, where can we use this sheet? This sheet has very wide applications, and it is only limited to your imagination. You can create amazing stickers using this sheet, especially for branding and marketing purposes. This sheet is perfect for customization and personalizations of your gift articles, gift products, or your own branded products that you have created yourself for your market. This sheet is very commonly used in backlight LEDs, in electric photo frames, in displays, and also if you want to do product branding or product marketing or product customization, then this sheet is very much useful. Now let me give you a small example of the same. Let us say this is a sipper bottle. Okay. Now let us say I am from Microsoft company and I want to gift each of my employees a sipper bottle for the coming Diwali. So what I will do, I will go to a person like you who does printing and who is aware of designing and other jobs. So what you will do, you will give me this transparent sticker sheet and you will print the Microsoft logo and a happy Diwali message, and you will paste on the sipper bottle and then provide to the company, and the company will in turn provide it to its consumers. So in this way you can create branding of the product easily using a very small investment of an inkjet printer, and the company will also be satisfied because of your timely delivery. So this is just a small example. There are many ways you can interpret it. And in case you are doing trophies or glass stickers or reverse glass stickers or vehicle stickers, this sheet is your best option. And there is one more option called metal badges. In case you are doing metal badges, this sheet will help you cut down your cost and delivery time drastically. You might be aware that when you have to do laser engraving on the metal badges in order to customize them, there is first a color limitation. Second, there is a delivery time problem. Third, there is investment problem. All these problems can just go away by using the transparent sticker sheet. If you just print the sticker sheet as per the metal badge size and then cut it in the exact shape and then paste it with craftness, then you can create a very beautiful multicolor metal badge which is very much used in most of the hotels and airline industries. So you'll have to do some research on the same and find products that suits you and your clients. So this was my small presentation on what the transparent sticker sheet is, how it is printed and how is it used. And if you want to purchase these transparent sticker sheets from us, then you can go to my website www.abhishekid.com, or you can leave us a YouTube comment for any bulk inquiry and we will share our WhatsApp contact with you, and you can contact us through that WhatsApp number. I would kindly request you all to please do not share your personal contact details on a public place like YouTube comment section, because it is not safe for you. So we have given our WhatsApp number in the comment section. You can just type in your inquiry and we will share you our contact numbers. And at the same time, if you still have certain technical doubts that you want to clarify, type in the YouTube comment section and we will get back to you as soon as we can. Now let us talk about the most important topic. What are the limitations of this sheet? Even though this sheet has such beautiful qualities, the ink on it is not waterproof. Now how can you make the ink waterproof? We don't want to change the original ink because that will violate our printer warranty. So what is the next step? The next step is lamination. Lamination is the solution in order to make the coating of print waterproof on the sheet. There are two types of lamination. The first is cold lamination, the second is thermal lamination. I have made a detailed video on what is cold lamination and what is thermal lamination and their machinery and their process already on my YouTube channel, and I will put a link in the description below for you guys. But let me explain the solution to the problem in a small context. Cold lamination is basically a transparent sticker lamination which is made up of plastic, and you do cold lamination in a cold lamination machine. So this is our sheet, and we will put it inside the cold lamination machine, and we will put the cold lamination film on it, and the film will get pasted upon this sticker sheet, and it will make it even more waterproof, even more weather resistant, even more protected from direct sunlight, and it will make the color combination and the color shades on the print permanent. So cold lamination is a very easy solution. It is very widely used in number of industries, and it is also a low cost and a low skill application or a solution to the problem. The second is a thermal lamination, which is a bit costlier and technically slightly challenging to do, but it gives a superior result, and it does not even add any additional problems to your existing sheet. But as thermal lamination is a bit costly, not many people can afford it, and if you have low volumes, then you will totally skip it. So in order to solve that problem, we are slowly coming up with a new solution to carry out thermal lamination in just 4,000 to 5,000 rupees of investment. Natively, thermal lamination is a solution of around 30,000 to 40,000, and we are coming up with a new solution that will help you solve the problem in just around 4,000 to 5,000 rupees. That's it. So we are working on the solution. It will take us about a month's time to come up with a total all-around solution and understanding all the products and all the elements in it. You can press the bell icon to get a notification of the same when we upload that video. So this was our small presentation on what is transparent sticker sheet, how is it used, how is it printed, where is it used, and what are the limitations and how do you overcome the limitations. But there is one important thing that I have forgotten to tell you, that is what are the print settings of printing the sheet on a inkjet printer. You are going to see this screenshot. As you can see in this screenshot, this is a screenshot of a Epson printer, and here I have set paper type as plain paper and quality as normal. I am sure you will be able to find an equivalent setting for HP, Brother or Canon. So the basic idea is, just as you print a plain paper, you have to print this transparent sticker sheet. So that's all for today, and I hope you have found this video useful, and in case you still have certain technical things going on in your mind, and if you still want certain questions to be asked, we are ready here for you. Please use the YouTube comment section and we will try to reply to you as soon as we can. Thank you very much.